Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the Band 8 Active is powered and unlocked, and your phone has the Xiaomi Wear or ZepLife app installed. Once done, enable Bluetooth and location services so the app can discover the band. Open the app, sign into your account or create one, and choose the option to add a new device. You do this now because pairing must begin before the band displays its QR code. Proceed immediately. You continue by selecting Add Device and choosing the band option. The app will request permissions. Grant them so scanning works. Then follow the on-screen prompts and wait for the app to try to locate the Band 8 Active. When the app initiates pairing, the band will often show a QR code or pairing barcode on its display. If it doesn't, tap the app's option to show code on the band. Make sure you keep the phone close and stable while the code appears. You finish by scanning the QR code with the app scanner or your phone camera as prompted. After a successful scan, confirm pairing on both the phone and the band. Then complete any final setup screens, permissions, watch face sync, and firmware updates. If the band never shows a QR code, try rebooting the band, updating the app, or performing a factory reset on the band. These steps resolve most pairing blockers. If problems persist, move the devices closer, remove interference, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.